the village elders, members of the respective youth club, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Binaka and very good morning to you all. Once again, I'm very pleased to be with all of you here at the Nailaga village to hand out the farm equipment, tools and seeds. At the outset, I would like to thank the members of the Matangali for allowing us to host this handing over ceremony here in the village of Nailaga. I would also like to thank the landowners for giving consent of land to their respective youth clubs so that you all can move into the farming. Can we all put our hands together and thank the landowners for agreeing to this? In fact, this program has been designed in such a way that it is a partnership between the Ministry of Youth and Sport, the landowners and the youth club. And this morning I want to share with all of you that since we have launched this program, till today, it has been a very successful program. Not only here, but throughout the country. We have seen the manner in which our young ones are taking part in farming now. And wherever I go, I say to the young ones that gone are the days for our elders. They have done their part. Now it is our turn to give it back. And I must say that I'm very happy that wherever I go, I see that interest that has generated amongst the youth of this country. Ladies and gentlemen and dear youths, I just want to share with all of you the programs that we have in place with Ministry for Youth and Sports. There is 2 programs that we have where you can access grant. One is that you need to register your youth clubs under the new registration form. Your club must be in place for 6 months, and then you can apply for income generating projects. All these projects will be assessed by the assistant youth officers with the divisional managers, and then will be sent to the headquarters to approve. The other one is the farm initiative, in which you all are participating. This one is an immediate assistance given to the youth clubs, because we don't want to wait for 6 months or 1 year, because we don't know what will happen in that 6 months and 1 year. So it's an immediate assistance given to the youths, provided all the boxes are ticked. And here this morning, your registration and all those requirements that were requested by the ministry, you have fulfilled all those requirements, and therefore we are here this morning to hand over whatever you have requested for. But let me tell you something. This is not the end of the journey. This is not the end of the assistance that we are providing. Maybe I can say that this is the start of the journey. And I must say that as you're going to go along, my assistant youth officers will come, monitor, and wherever you will need more assistance, on a need basis, we will come and assist you. So don't think that whatever you have asked for, that's enough. No, we don't do like that. We want you to progress. So keep this in mind. So really, if you look at it, the challenge that I'm putting to you, that you have to work hard. You have to be focused. Then and only I will have to come back again to give out more grants. But the ball is really in your court. You all will have to work hard for the betterment of yourself, your family members, and your community. So that's the challenge that I'm putting to all of you here this morning at the Nailaga village. Government wants all Fijians to benefit from growing more food locally, since we are blessed with so much fertile land. Unlike other countries, there is a lot of issues in terms of land, but here we are so blessed. So make use of it. Government has already put in place a number of innovative initiatives and projects that are making considerable progress for our youth in agriculture. As I've said earlier on, that there is a lot of success stories. In fact, this program was launched because of COVID-19. There were a lot of youths who were working in towns and cities. And because of COVID-19 pandemic, a majority of them were laid off. So where they went? They went back to their villages, they went back to their settlements. So we went around and we had the Talanua session, we spoke to the youths, and we asked them that what are the immediate needs that we can provide so that you can continue with your life. 99% of the youth said that we want to go into farming. And therefore, we at the ministry decided to launch this program. And during COVID-19 pandemic, we have been receiving reports from these youth clubs who were assisted that all of them were involved in their farm. So I would like to see that you all involve yourself in farming. And after these formalities, we will have a Talanua session. And apart from this, if you have any other projects that your club have decided, I'm ready to hear, and wherever we can assist, we will assist you. I would also like to say that apart from these handing over grants, we also provide agriculture training with the help of Ministry of Agriculture staff. It's no point for us to come here, give out these materials when you really don't know the know-how. So with that, we will also provide training for all the youths. We also have training centers around the country. And if any one of you who are interested, please let the assistant youth officers and the divisional staff be informed. so that you can have those trainings at our training centers. Ladies and gentlemen, dear youth, at this juncture, I wish to congratulate the 3 youth clubs. As I have said earlier on, that you all have met the requirements, and I want to wish you all very best in your future endeavors. Vinaka Vakalevu, and may God bless us all. Naka.